Hi, everyone. My name is Christina, and I'm an implementation consultant at ProSymmetry. In this video, we'll talk about a common use case in which a Tempus user wants to plan allocations, but with the resource utilization of their team or department in mind. The best way to accomplish this in Tempus will be to pull in the allocation percentage calculation into the Bulk Project Allocation FlatGrid. So let's take a look at how this works in Tempus. All right, I'm in Tempus now, and I'm going to navigate to the Bulk Project Allocation FlatGrid tile. We're pulling this resource utilization information into the FlatGrid because, as you know, it's the best place in Tempus where you can make real-time allocation changes across multiple resources and multiple projects all in one place. And we're going to give you the added information of how utilized are your teams or your resources to inform those allocation changes. We can see here in this view that I'm pulling in some allocation information. I have chosen to pull in the full year of allocations for this group. I'm also using the resource mode to pull in some specific resources to my view, specifically a few departments that I want to kind of hone in on. And I'm grouping my resources by department first and then resource name. I point this out just to say that you will have to group by at least one resource specific attribute in order to pull in through your options button the show allocation percentage option. Once I have this toggled on, as I expand these buckets, I can see the allocation percentage displayed as a row, telling me how utilized is each department or individual resource. As I expand even further, is the team at any given month, so I can make some informed decisions about the allocation changes I need to make. I also would like to point out that allocation percentage is the same thing as resource utilization in Tempus. That's just the verbiage that we use in Tempus. And the allocation percentage is really that calculation between the allocations of the group or the individual divided by the total capacity for the group or the capacity of the individual. The allocation percentage also dictates in Tempus what colors are displayed through the heat map. So you probably in your environment have already configured this based on your organization's threshold for over allocation. In my environment, anything over 100% utilized or allocated shows as red. So we can see that represented here. 106% allocated is showing as red at the total level. Anything between 60 and 100% allocated shows as yellow. So we can see that here, 98% allocated or utilized is showing as yellow on that total row. This is a great way to see the landscape of how utilized your teams or resources are. And as you know, in the FlatGrid, you can pull in multiple months into the future to really be forward thinking about the allocation changes you need to make based on how much time your teams have to give toward projects or how overworked they already may be. You can also export this view right within the FlatGrid by clicking the Excel icon here, or you can create your own custom pivot grid report to pull in this similar information within report management in Tempus with your own custom heat map for your threshold colors there as well. So this wraps up the use case video on how to plan allocations with resource utilization in mind. If you need additional information, I would recommend reaching out to your Tempus representative or check out our Help Center for more videos just like this one. Thanks so much and have a great day.